My name is Ratu Febri. I am a career woman. Running is my favorite passion. I am driven by spirit, energy, and a sporty lifestyle. Run slow. Run fast. And running, go. I move forward. I stay strong. And I keep running toward my goal.